welcome to Confetti Sprinkles. Last time I got these cupcakes as a gift and I thought it'd be fun to make them today. It's also Halloween and I thought it'd be fun to dress up in my costume. I'm Elsa. Now I'm ready to get the show on the road. First we're gonna make the cupcakes. Have an adult preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Okay, for our batter, we need 2/3 cup of milk, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 1 egg, our batter, our spatula, and our mixing bowl. First, we're gonna add our milk. Then we're gonna add our oil. Last, we're gonna add our egg. Then we're gonna mix it up. Now that we've mixed our wet ingredients, we're gonna add our dry. Poof. Now we're gonna mix it up again. Ooh. We mix it until there are no big lumps left like this. But wait, we need rainbow sprinkles. Everyone knows that. Ooh, mixy, 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 colorful. Here's what it looks like with the sprinkles once it's all mixed in. This recipe makes 12 cupcakes, so we put 12 cupcake liners in our muffin pan. Now it's time to fill them up. Okay, we're gonna put a little batter in each cup and then go back and fill them up to about where the pan is. It's okay if you make a little mess, just make sure most of the batter is in the cups. Now that we have our batter in the liners, have an adult put the cupcakes in the oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Now that our cupcakes are in the oven, we are going to make our frosting. We're going to use our frosting mixture and butter and mix them together until smooth. Now we've mixed until smooth and we're gonna add the milk. We've added our milk and we're gonna mix it up one more time. Our cupcakes just finished baking, so we're gonna let them cool down for 10 minutes. Now that the cupcakes have cooled for 10 minutes, we're gonna put them on this wire rack to cool the rest of the way. While our cupcakes are cooling, we are gonna put together 12 picks. So you're gonna take one of these little utensil things, you're gonna take one of these stickers off the chart, you're gonna take a stick, put it on the back, and then you're gonna put it on the back of there like that. Now I'm gonna grab a cupcake, a scoop of frosting, and I'm gonna frost it. Now that we're all done frosting, yum! We're going to put our picks in. Here are our cupcakes today. Thanks for watching. Hope you had fun. Click the like button if you liked it and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. Now that
That's what I was afraid of.
Shoot.